Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Bepi Yuniarti. I'm from Politeknik Negeri Batam, Managerial Accounting, Class 1A. In here, I will explain about accounting cycle of our service business. Service business accounting. Application of the service company accounting cycle that begins with the recording transaction evidence and ends with the preparation of financial statement consisting of balance sheets, income statements, and reports of change in capital. Accounting cycle for a service business. First, we have general journal. Second, posting. Third, trial balance. Fourth, adjusting journals. Fifth, adjusted trial balance. Sixth, income statement. Seventh, closing entries. Eighth, retained earnings statement. And the last, statement of financial position. First, general journal. General journal is a journal that is used a place to record all types of evidence of financial transactions that arise due to the occurrence of various company financial transactions within a certain period. And that an example. In general journal, we have that, description, ref, debit, credit, and total. Okay, next. Posting. The posting is transfer transaction recorded in the journal to each appropriate general ledger account. And that's an example. In posting, we have account name, account number, debt, and description, debit, credit, and balance. Next is trial balance. The trial balance is a list of all the accounts in the bookkeeping or accounting report that contain the balance in the general ledger. And that's an example. In trial balance, we have account number, account name, debit, credit, and total. Next is adjusting journal. The adjusting journal are adjustments to account balance in the general ledger made by making a journal called an adjusting journal. And that's an example. In adjusting journal, we have that, description, ref, debit, and credit. Adjusted trial balance. The trial balance after adjustment inform the list of balance made after the adjustment process is carried out on certain accounts. And that's an example. In adjusted trial balance, we have account number, account name, debit, credit, and total. Next is income statement. The income statement is part of the financial statement of a company produced in an accounting period that describes the elements of the company's income and expenses of as to produce a net profit. And that's an example. In income statement, we have revenue, expense, and a total. And next is closing entries. Closing entries are journal entries made at the end of an accounting period to transfer temporary accounts to permanent accounts. And that's an example. In closing entries, we have equity and liabilities and total. Okay. Next is retained earnings statement. The statement of retained earnings is the basic financial statement. This report describes the change in the company's retained earnings during the reporting period. In the described change in the interest of owners in an organization, and in the application of retained earnings or surpluses from one accounting period to the next. And that's an example. In retained earning statements, we have retained earning in beginning, and then net income, dividends, and retained earning in the end. Okay, and then the last is statement of financial position. The statement of financial position is part of the financial statement of an entity produced in an accounting period that show the financial position of that entity at the end of that period. And then that's an example. And statement of financial position, we have asset. Explain is like land, buildings, equipment, prepaid insurance, supplies, account receivable, and cash. And the final is total. That's my explanation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and see you later.